Take a look at this Instagram page with over 10 million followers. Every video has millions of views, which translates to substantial revenue. Similarly, check out this YouTube channel with over 2.7 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, this channel earns around $25,000 per month, which is a significant income. Now let's see what kinds of videos they're making. They are making simple, relaxing videos. And most importantly, they can be made with AI. Today, I will show you how to create your own relaxing videos. Let's dive in. First, we need to create visuals. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. After logging into your Leonardo AI account, navigate to the Image Generator page. Leonardo AI has two interfaces, the new one and the legacy mode, which you can switch to if you prefer. Now we have to select a preset. I recommend using the Leonardo Lightning XL preset for generating high-quality images. Select the preset style and contrast. Then choose an aspect ratio based on your platform. I'll go with 9:16 for this example. Now we have to give it a prompt to generate our visuals. If you're not an expert in creating prompts, you can use ChatGPT to generate them. Head over to GPT. Go to the GPT store, search for the Leonardo AI prompt generator, and enter your basic idea. For instance, a double-height ceiling cozy living room in winter. ChatGPT will provide some prompts. Copy one, paste it into Leonardo AI, and hit generate. Once your image is ready, choose the best image for your video and download it. Now we have to upscale it to enhance quality. Open a new tab and search for a replicate image upscaler. Open the first link. Here, you need to sign up with your GitHub account. If you do not have one, you can create one. It's free. After logging in, click on the Clarity Upscaler tool. Then, click on the Clear button. Once you delete the default image, you have to drag and drop your own image here. After uploading your image, click on the Run button. Wait for some time to see the magic. Once it is done, just look at the quality. Click on the Download button to download it. Next, generate another image for the background. Use ChatGPT again to create a detailed prompt like a serene winter night scene in a mountainous region. Follow the same steps. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, then go to Leonardo AI. Paste the script here and click on the Generate button. Once your images are generated, choose the best one and download it. Next, go to Replicate and upscale your image. Once it is done, download the upscaled image. Now, let's customize the living room scene. We'll use a free online photo editor called Photopea. Open Photopea in your browser. Click on New Project, choose the aspect ratio, and click on Create. Upload your image, then cut out the windows. To do this, you can use the polygonal lasso select tool. This tool allows you to draw straight lines around the window and delete the selected parts. Now hold the Alt key from your keyboard and scroll up to zoom in. Select the window part like this and press backspace from the keyboard to delete the selected part. Take your time and do this perfectly for good quality video and success. For more complex areas, use the Magic Wand tool, which automatically selects parts of the window for deletion. Once all windows are cut out, click on File and export the image as a PNG file. To animate these images, use a video editor like CapCut. Create a new project. Import both the background image and the customized image. Place the background image on the timeline, then layer the customized image on top. Now we need to add a snow effect. For the snow effect, you can download a green screen video like this from YouTube or come back to CapCut. You can use CapCut's stock library. Search here for snow falling green screen. Insert the green screen video between the background and the customized image. Use CapCut's chroma key function to remove the green screen, adjusting the intensity and other settings for the best result. If the snowflakes are too large and not looking realistic, decrease the size of the snowflake video. Then copy and paste it again and again until the entire canvas is covered. After that, select all snowfall layers and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. Let's have a look. As you can see, our video is looking realistic, but only one thing is missing. We have to bring this fireplace to life. The process is the same. Open YouTube and download a fire green screen video, or come to CapCut and search for fire green screen in the Stock Media tab. Choose any video you like. I will choose this one. Drag it to the timeline and remove the green background. After that, click on the crop icon and crop it like this to make it look like the fire is really in the fireplace. Adjust its size and place it in the fireplace. Split the extra part of the fire layer. Once everything is done, export the video and save it to your device. But wait, what about the music? Without that relaxing music, you are never going viral. For music, open a new tab and search for Suno and open suno.com. Click on the sign up button and continue with your Google account. After creating an account, go to the Create option and enter a description like relaxing lo-fi, beats with nature sounds. Ensure the instrumental option is on and generate the music. At one prompt, it will create 2 tracks for you. Once you have your soundtrack, download it. Import the music into CapCut, then align it with your video. If the music is longer than the video, simply copy and paste the video clips to match the duration. Finally, export your completed video. And there you have it, a beautiful, relaxing music video ready to upload to your Instagram or YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the final result. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. I'd love to hear about your experience with generating relaxing videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!